And they had lots of room in the top of the containers, so they just slid everything
on top of
the batteries and brought it in as fireplace.
How long ago was it?
15, probably.
Got the Janetta?
No. But it was built up with the Rover V8. I ordered it with the V8 chassis and suspension, independent rear and everything. Yeah.
That had been a really.
It was a pretty car.
They had the hotel was old, and it had the bed that was supposed to be a full, but it was like a twin. And I remember Walt would have to lay on his back, and I'd lay on my side, and then I'm like, I gotta lay on my back, so we had sold this house. So I
Dragonfly?
Yeah, Dragonfly, yeah.
like,
It was on the TVR website. Yeah. 15. I'm thinking 15 is what they were doing.
Recently?
Within the last couple of years, I suppose.
Her first husband had a child.
Yeah, and one of them sold it. One of them is apparently I've never seen it someplace else other than where it was before. So.
Yeah, you've been told. Yeah, then I had to